Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from Joe Tech Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have the keyboard is compatible with the Surface Pro 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's impressive. This will work in pretty much every Surface Pro except for an 8. But that's pretty good, actually. Think about it. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. Connects via Bluetooth. You could charge it on the side. Type-C charged port on the side. There is a caps lock on here as well, which is unique. The other one didn't have the caps lock light on it, so it actually shows a little blue light on the side of your caps lock. It has a low battery indicator and a charging indicator on this little thing here, and a power button. But what's unique about this is that if the Bluetooth is off on the Surface Pro, this will go into power save mode, or shut off, for that matter. When this Bluetooth turns on the Surface Pro, the keyboard automatically turns on. And I think that's a great feature. I mean, I think that's really great. I haven't used this in a couple of days, and as soon as I turned it on, it actually came right on, the keyboard. It was great. I loved it. So this is actually going to get the Joe Tech Tips Instant Awesome rating because it actually works really well. I love the RGB capability of it, the multicolor of the keyboard, which is great, which is one of the huge pluses about this thing. I love it that I actually have the ability to actually get my keyboard back on the Surface Pro, because without a keyboard you're kind of lost. You can still do a virtual keyboard, it is what it is, but I like the fact that it has the ability to do multicolor, different brightnesses. You have 3 levels of brightness and then off. So 4 levels, I guess you want to call it, off, and then minimum, medium, and then high, and then multicolor. Multicolor keyboard. I happen to keep it on white because it's the most seen in the dark. But if you look in, in a classroom or something like that, you want to look cool, whatever, you can use a different color. But other than that, I got the RGB because I wanted something different, and I like different. And that's pretty much it. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.